Hey everyone, and welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we'll review a content creation tool, Repurpose.io. This amazing tool helps you automatically transform your videos and audio content into engaging posts for all your social media channels. Repurpose.io is a tool that streamlines the process of repurposing your existing video and podcast content into bite-sized snippets for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. This AI-powered platform analyzes your content to extract key messages and craft engaging social media posts, saving you the time and effort of manually creating content for each platform. With Repurpose.io, you can expand your reach and engagement, maintain brand consistency across social media channels, and free up your time to focus on creating high-quality video and podcast content. They even offer a free trial to get you started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Get a Simple for more content creation tips and tricks. See you next time.